boys and girls. How are you today? I'm sure you're doing fine. My name is Teacher Riza, and I will be your math teacher. Are you ready for today's adventure? Get ready! Since we are experiencing this pandemic that has put us in this situation, let us all stand up and together let us learn this song against COVID-19. Here we go!
Let's beat Corona! Coronavirus, say no more. Coronavirus, say no more. Coronavirus, say no more. Coronavirus, say no more. Wash your hands, wash, wash, wash. Wash your hands. My hands are clean. Wear a mask, wear. Wear a mask. Yes, I did it. Social distance, distance. Social distance. Let's not stay close. Eat healthy. Stay healthy. Stay safe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coronavirus, say no more. Coronavirus, say no more. Coronavirus, say no more. Coronavirus, say no more. Let's beat Corona. Let's beat Corona.
Job well done, kids! Let us begin our lesson by practicing the conversation. Please listen carefully and repeat.
My country. Thailand is my country. The former name was Siam. The current capital city is Bangkok. Bangkok is named the Venice of the East. The Thai flag has 3 colours: red, white and blue. Buddhism is the national religion. Ratchapruk is the national flower. My country is beautiful and peaceful. Thai food is very delicious. I am proud to be a Thai. I love my country.
Wonderful, kids! This time, we'll read and spell some vocabulary words. These are the words that we will meet during our discussion. Please pay attention and focus because we will have a spelling test afterwards. Ready? Number 1. Liter. Repeat after me. Liter. Again, liter. L-I-T-E-R, liter. Number 2. Measure. Repeat after me. Measure. Again. Measure. M-E-A-S-U-R-E. Measure. Number 3. Liquid. Repeat after me. Liquid. Again. Liquid. L-I-Q-U-I-D. Liquid. Number 4. Container. Repeat after me. Container. Again. Container. C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-R. Container. Number 5. Measurement. Repeat after me. Measurement. Again. Measurement. M-E-A-S-U-R-E-M-E-N-T. Measurement. Number 6. Volume. Repeat after me. Volume. Again. Volume. V-O-L-U-M-E. Volume. Number 7. Compare. Repeat after me. Compare. Again. Compare. C-O-M-P-A-R-E. Compare. Number 8. Instrument. Repeat after me. Instrument. Again. Instrument. I-N-S-T-R-U-M-E-N-T. Instrument. Number 9. Unit. Repeat after me. Unit. Again. Unit. U-N-I-T. Unit. Number 10. Brim. Repeat after me. Brim. Again. Brim. B-R-I-M. Brim. Number 11. Quantity. Repeat after me. Quantity. Again. Quantity. Q-U-A-N-T-I-T-Y. Quantity. Number 12. More. Repeat after me. More. Again. More. M-O-R-E. More. Number 13. Less. Repeat after me. Less. Again. Less. L-E-S-S. Less. Number 14. Equipment. Repeat after me. Equipment. Again. Equipment. E-Q-U-I-P-M-E-N-T. Equipment. And number 15. Variety. Repeat after me. Variety. Again. Variety. V-A-R-I-E-T-Y. Variety. Very good, students. Now, are you ready for a spelling test? I'll give you 5 words, and all those words are from what we had a while ago. Please get a piece of paper and pencil. Do you have them now? Let's start. Number 1. Measurement. Spell measurement. Number 2. Compare. Spell compare. Number 3. Instrument. Spell instrument. Number 4. Unit. Spell unit. And number 5. Brim. Spell brim. Good job, kids! This time, we'll have a revision of the things that we've discussed from the previous video. Volume measures capacity. It is a measure of the amount of space occupied by an object. For example, the volume of a cup is the amount of space inside the cup, or how much water, for example, it would take to fill the cup. In the metric system of measurement, the most common units of volume are milliliter and liter. In our lesson, we will only focus in using the liter. Please take note that both liter and liter are correct. So can you think of some containers or measuring equipments? Here are some examples. Bucket, bucket. Spoon, spoon. Cup, cup. Glass, glass. Pitcher, pitcher. Graduated cylinder, graduated cylinder. Beaker, beaker. And our last example, bottle, bottle. We use these equipments as containers, or we use these in measuring solids and liquids. Example of these are sugar, milk, water, flour, salt, soda. Now, we will continue our discussion. Here are our learning goals for today. At the end of our lesson, we should be able to: Number 1. Name some containers that may contain 1 liter or more. Number 2. Know how to estimate whether the liquid in a container is more or less than 1 liter. And number 3, have a hands-on activity on how to measure the capacity of a container. Can you think of some containers that may contain 1 liter or more? I'll give you 10 seconds to think. Now, it's my time. Here are some examples. Water bottle, pitcher, bucket, barrel, fishbowl, jar, steel tank, oil tin can, and milk gallon. Now that you have an idea of these containers, please take note also of the following examples. This is an example of 1 liter of water. This is an example of 1 liter of milk. This is an example of 1 liter of soda. And this is an example of 1 liter of orange juice. Now, let's play a guessing game. You will guess whether the things in the container is more or less than 1 liter. Number 1. A small glass of water. You're right. It's less than. Number 2. A spoonful of medicine. You're right. It's less than. Number 3. A tin of vegetable oil. You're right. It's more than. Number 4. A jar of lemonade. You're right. It's more than. Number 5. A pitcher of orange juice. You're right. It's more than. Number 6. A barrel of wine. You're right. It's more than. Number 7. A bucket of sweets. You're right. It's more than. Number 8. A cup of coffee. You're right. It's less than. Number 9. A gallon of milk. You're right. It's more than. Number 10. A drop of cough medicine. You're right. It's less than. Number 11. A small bowl of cereals. You're right. It's less than. Number 12. A teaspoon of salt. You're right. It's less than. Number 13. A tub of ice cream. You're right. It's more than. Number 14. A Tetra Pak of chocolate milk. You're right. It's less than. And number 15. A small tube of hand sanitizer. You're right. It's less than. Did you get a lot of correct answers? Amazing! This time, let's watch this video about measurement and how do we find out the capacity of a particular container. Please pay attention.
Measurement, capacity. Starry, isn't that your water bottle? How many glasses of water can it hold? 2 glasses. That means, Starry, the capacity of your water bottle is 2 glasses. See, mine is a bigger bottle. Its capacity is 3 glasses. Starry, whenever we pour any liquid in a container, we have to measure its capacity. Let us measure the capacity of this pot that we have. Here, this is a water pot. Let us pour bottles of water in it. How many bottles of water can it hold, Starry? Oh, 10 bottles. So the capacity of the pot is 10 bottles. Starry, we can also use pitchers or tumblers or cups for measuring the capacity. Here, Starry, let's now measure the capacity of this bucket. Let's use a glass first. Let's count the number of glasses the bucket can hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the capacity of the bucket is 15 glasses. What happened, Starry? Okay, we shall now measure the capacity of the same bucket with a tumbler. The bucket can only hold 10 tumblers of water, Starry. Did you notice, Starry? The capacity of the same container seems different if different measures are used. Starry, do you remember the capacity of your water bottle? Yes, it was 2 glasses. The capacity of my bottle was 3 glasses. So we can say that the capacity of my bottle is more than that of your bottle. Look at the pictures shown here. In the first picture, the milkman is measuring the capacity of his can with a pitcher. The capacity of his can is 12 pitchers. In the second picture, a lady is measuring the capacity of her bucket with the same pitchers. The capacity of the bucket is 12 pitchers. So what can you say about these two instances? Yes, we can say that the capacity of the can and the bucket is the same. Look at the next set of pictures, Starry. In the first picture, Raju is measuring the capacity of the steel tank with a bottle. This steel tank can hold 25 bottles of water. In the next picture, Sarita is measuring the capacity of the same tank using the same bottle. What will be the capacity of the tank now? 25 bottles. That's right. Because if the same measure is used, then the capacity of the container is the same, no matter who measures it. Starry, now some questions for you. What is the capacity of a teapot if it holds 5 cups of tea? Yes, simple. The capacity of the teapot is 5 teacups. A water jug can hold 7 glasses of water. What is the capacity of the water jug? The capacity of the water jug is 7 glasses. Remember to find the capacity of the container before pouring any liquid in it, or it may spill out.
Did you have fun? Be sure to remember our discussion in this video because it's time to test your ability. It's activity time. Please get ready with your paper and pencil. Do you have them now? Let's start. Activity 1. Analyze whether the liquid in the container is more than or less than 1 liter. Write more than or less than. Number 1. A gallon of milk. Number 2. A cup of coffee. Number 3. A pitcher of orange juice. Number 4. A glass of water. And number 5, a jar of lemonade. Activity 2. Practice activity. Since you are at home, I'm sure you have a variety of containers available. Follow the instructions below. Get a bucket of water and some measuring equipment. Practice measuring the water. Measure number 1, 1 liter. Number 2, 3 liters. Number 3, half a liter. Number 4, 2 liters. Very good, kids. We have come to the end of our discussion. I hope you had fun. Again, a gentle reminder with regard to COVID-19. Wash your hands frequently. Stay at home. Eat healthy foods. Always wear your face mask. And be sure to exercise regularly. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.